Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of BYD, one of the leading electric vehicle manufacturers globally. Have you ever wondered how these innovative cars are made? Let's take a closer look. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams, and they're not just making cars. They're revolutionizing transportation with their electric vehicles. But what sets them apart? Let's start with their blade battery. BYD manufactures its own blade battery using lithium iron phosphate, or LFP. Why LFP? Well, it's known for its safety and durability. The production process involves cell stacking, welding, and rigorous testing. Did you know that this battery design minimizes the risk of fire? That's a game changer! Next up, let's talk about the heart of the vehicle, the electric motors and powertrains. BYD builds these components in-house, which includes the motor, inverter, and controller. This vertical integration allows for better quality control. But how does this impact performance? Let's find out. Now, onto the chassis and e-Platform 3.0, designed specifically for electric vehicles. This platform optimizes space and efficiency. Watch as robotic arms assemble the vehicle body, welding panels, and painting the car in clean, dust-free environments. Isn't technology amazing? In the final assembly, the blade battery, interior, software, and smart features come together. Each vehicle undergoes extensive testing and quality control, including road simulations, waterproofing, and system calibration. It's a meticulous process to ensure every car is ready for the road. Finally, we see the completed BYD electric cars being charged and prepared for delivery around the world. BYD is truly driving the future with green, smart, and sustainable electric vehicles. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the electric revolution? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. See you next time.